Hi, this is another video by Joanna. This is John. This property needs a lot of work, but the views are absolutely stunning. You can't give a price to these views.
Hello, good day. I am Joanna and I am in village Katselovo. Nice village near Ruse, near Dve Mogili, at the edge of the village with incredible views. The garden is about 1,400 square meter. Is on the levels the garden. The house been start the renovation, PVC windows change, but still work inside. But look at that view. I am sorry because today is not very sunny, so you can see better light around the nature and better sky. The property have a barn too. Inside the work will start, have a bathroom, water and electric, but they are stopped at the moment for safety. And we're going inside to take a look in a minute. Look at that beautiful view. So lovely surrounding. And of course you have an outside toilet here, which is exactly on the view, but most of the Bulgarians, they are not bother about the view. For them is more important the garden, what they can take it from, the barn for the animals, and the condition of the property. This is the toilet, is hole in the ground. But it's so beautiful. Amazing view. The house been left from a while, no one are using, and it's a little bit jungle, little bit hard to take a walk around, and part of the garden is like on a terrace side. But look at that beautiful, amazing view. You can look at here on a kilometer. From here you can see even the roofs of the near a village close by, and that is the house. The roof at the moment have a little leak, but is not major. It's possible to be fix it. Come to see the barn. It's a really beautiful house at the edge of the village. Till you reach to the property is only a mud road, no asphalt road. But again, if you have the wish to live at the edge of the village, not always the roads are proper asphalt road. You can see here it's been used for animals or just storage. Workshop can be anything. On this side we have 2 rooms. The house is 2-story. Here is the other part of the barn. See that we'll be able to open it. No. I will try to show you from inside. They create a concrete floor here. You can see still some space. Something important what's supposed to add it. The house is sitting at the edge to the village, near little tiny river, close to a village lake, but no much neighbors around. For some people this is very important. For this I also want to add it for people information. Something else what I can say to you for the village is nice big wake village with a few shops, nice locals, few expats living here. It's not full with foreigners, and it's so quiet. I can hear even the plane who passing above the village. It's a amazing view. And there is the property. I am at the moment at the first floor, and the house, how I told you, the work was start a long time ago, and at the moment the house need work to continue. Okay, you got internal window corridor or stairs which are covered with a metal profile and a glass to can keep in you don't get wet when you go outside to visit the second floor. Under the stairs have a little hole like a storage for wood or who for what want to use it. Have a lot of broken glasses inside, and downstairs have two rooms and a wet room. You can see at the floor they've been added tiles and the corridor, and here in this room still have tiles under the carpet, PVC windows, new wiring added into the property. You can see plasterboard on the ceilings, and here this room was created for a wet room with tiles on the floor. Was have a leak from the water meter. Over there you can see the water just been stopped from the water main because the meter is broken, but nothing to worry about, can be a fix. And here on the left we have a room which at the moment the owner lost the key. I will try to show you. That room needs lots of work. You can see it. Over there I have a beam upstairs on the old ceiling, which upstairs the floor need to be redone again. This other way the room is a big size, maybe you got like a 6 by 380. You will see what I mean when we go up. This is the internal stairs, which they are closed with a profile and a glass. It's amazing view. No one maintained the house from very long time. You can see how is create this close place. We're going upstairs. Upstairs actually have a 3 rooms and a storage, which is good to create wet room. but the floors upstairs need to be redone again. You can see the drop on the floor, start from the corridor, and this is the room downstairs where the floor is collapsed into the room downstairs. That floor will need to be changed, but it's a good size room. With a nice view. Can I look at? Yeah. At the end, the floors upstairs need to be redone to can come a good floor. This is the storage, which is enough big to you can create bathroom. Here, up there, have a little leak from the side of the chimney, and there is the exit for the roof. This is the second room. All the rooms have access of chimneys for heating. The original doors are still here, and the floor is matte, which need to be redone again. Look like the renovation been started only downstairs. Upstairs nothing been done, rather the windows to be changed. And look at that view. You can hear even the near tractor. It's so quiet. It's a good project for someone who will love to stay and live in Bulgaria at the end of the village with wonderful views around, quiet, and of course the property need a renovation which need to be done. That was from me for today. Visit our website, our Facebook page, or our YouTube channel, and contact us if you like any of the houses which we advertising. This is the internal stairs which bring you to upstairs. There are strong concrete stairs. The wiring was done only downstairs, upstairs nothing been touched, only PVC windows change. I will show you in a minute the outside road which bring you into the property. I'm going to show you the side of the property. It's the back side. Here you have a stairs which you cannot find it very hard because it's all overgrown. And at the moment this is the road up there where is that little gap bring you to the main road into the property, and here have a road which bring you down to the main road again up there. It's a nice quiet place if you want to set up a home at the end of a village. Katselovo. Have a good day. Enjoy the last beautiful days before Christmas.